So our community update for April 24th. I'd like to welcome you this afternoon to this update. I'm Mayor Clay Copeland, and today is Friday, April 24th. Today I'm going to share some updated information on the new state mandates and city rules and the processor plans. So our testing update is that to date we have conducted 25 tests in Cordova. 0 of those tests have proven positive, and we are awaiting the results of 7 of those tests. Our local healthcare providers now have a testing capability of 909 tests. So some new announcements. There's been some confusion surrounding state mandates and city rules. Governor Michael Dunleavy issued a clarification that cities may move forward with rules and orders that are stricter than state mandates. This means that all individuals and businesses in Cordova must follow additional protections put in place by the city. In addition to the state requirements, this means all travelers must quarantine for 14 days arriving in Cordova. All travelers. All individuals must wear a face covering in public, and all businesses and vessels must adhere to added safety measures laid out in the City of Cordova mutual aid agreements. Those added safety measures include education of all employees regarding COVID symptoms and safety, ensure compliance with Cordova's temporary COVID-19 emergency rules, complete the health risk assessment for all employees, and notify the city of any and all failed health risk assessments. There is a new city order. As of yesterday, all individuals in Cordova must wear a mask, a bandana, or other type of protective cloth covering over the nose and mouth in public. This includes entering a building open to the public. It includes the harbor on docks and ramps. It includes when pumping gas or using gas station amenities. And it includes any other setting where social distancing of at least 6 feet is not possible. The only exemptions are for children under the age of 4, individuals with trouble breathing, and individuals with a medical condition that prevents them from wearing a facial covering. Also, please remember that even with a face mask, everyone must still practice social distancing. I want to reassure residents that the city is well prepared and working to address any challenges that come our way regarding this pandemic. We'll make sure that residents have the resources they need to stay safe and healthy. We are coordinating closely with the governor's office, the fishing industry, businesses, and local residents. I believe we'll strike a balance between protecting lives and livelihoods over the next few months. We've already put many protections in place, and they will stay there at least until the primary risk period from the influx of fishermen and cannery workers has passed. The city has plans from all processors in hand, and our medical team feels good about the procedures they've outlined. I'll tell you, I just got off the 3 o'clock afternoon industry call, and very encouraging. The Cordova District Fishermen United is communicating to all fishermen about various health and safety expectations. They sent a letter to all fishermen in Area E that will be arriving in mailboxes this week. That information is also on the city's website, the COVID website, in the resources and forms section. The processors, fishermen, and industry are working collaboratively with the city. They support and appreciate our efforts to keep the community healthy and safe. We appreciate their partnership and willingness to work together on this. I'd like to share some good news. Since yesterday's rule requiring face coverings began, we are seeing everyone wearing face coverings. I've been out to the airport and around town today, actually, with one of our doctors, and had great conversations with the businesses. But the whole time while we were talking and to them about their screening and observations, we see everybody wearing masks, so that's great. I want to thank the community for that, to each and every one of you who are working to keep yourselves and the others in the community safe. We will get through this together, but we have to do it 6 feet apart. So in closing, I'd like to extend my appreciation for the incident management team's efforts, as well as others who have helped us prepare for the unknown and what's to come. We have many skilled individuals working together to protect us. The next City of Cordova update is scheduled for Monday. There's a radio update that gets broadcast at 1, 5, and 8 p.m. on KCDV FM 100.9 and on KLAM AM 1450. All information is available on our new Cordova COVID-19 website at COVID-19, it's all one word, covid19.cityofcordova.net. This is a new website, and if you haven't seen it yet, I encourage you to go there for details on the city's COVID response. It's a great source of information, and I can vouch it's extremely user-friendly and comprehensive. So I'd like to wish you all a good night. Remember, hygiene, social distancing, face covering. Have a great, safe weekend, Cordova.